Hi friends, I want to tell you about my new assistant, which I ordered for Joom, a robot window cleaner. Why do I need it? Then I live high up and washing windows for me becomes a game of Russian roulette, whether I get out of the window or not. In addition to windows, it can be used to wash tiles, linoleum and laminate flooring. Now I will tell you more about it. Delivery from China, only 5 days. The courier brought the parcel home. The kit includes remote control, without batteries, English manual. The robot itself, packed in bubble wrap. This is how it looks. A safety cable 4.5 meters long is already tied to the washer. Plastic bottle with spray bottle. Adapter and power cord. 14 cloth attachments. Now I'll show you how to use it. I show the principle of operation on acceleration, since it washes the window for about 5 minutes. Here is the finished result. The only minus of the robot, it does not wash the corners, but this is not scary. The robot works from the mains, but it has a built-in battery, so if the electricity is turned off, the robot will be on the window for another 30 minutes. Therefore, it is better to charge the washer before use. When fully charged, the right light will be green. You can use any liquid for cleaning windows. By means of a spray we apply it not to the window, but to the fabric attachments. The robot has 3 cleaning modes that can be configured using the remote control. Also, if the robot stops working in a place inaccessible to you, you can use the arrows to direct it towards you. That's all. I told you the main thing. If you liked the review, like it and subscribe to the channel. See you.